First of all, take a cartoon box and cut it from the middle in such a way that you can fix all 15 LED with equal space between them. This is my cartoon box where I am going to fix all the 15 LED. Now follow me step by step. We will follow the pattern RGB. This means red first, then green, then blue. Now look the LED carefully. You can see one pin is longer and one is shorter. The longer one is positive and the shorter one is negative. The same in the green one. Now fix the LED in the same pattern as I am doing. The positive to the left hole and negative to the right hole. Now come to the back side. The longer pin, which is positive, bend it towards the upper side. For each one of them. And negative to the downward side. I will show you how to solder one LED and rest you can do your own. I have soldered one wire to this LED pin. As you can see here, we have separate connection for the positive wires of LED and one common connection for the negative wires of LED. We will do the same for the remaining 12 LEDs. Now arrange the LED in the same pattern as I have done. Use the soldering iron to solder the wires to LED and at the other end point join the jumper wires like this. Just cut the jumper wires from middle so that the second part can be used with the other pin. Whenever you join the end point, don't forget to put a tape around it in order to avoid risk of damaging the Raspberry Pi. As you can see here, I have one common wire for all the negative pins. This black wire is common for all the negative pins and separate wires for each positive pins of LED.